Okay, here we have another question of probability, and this question is from June 2016, paper 1, question 20. Here we have a tree diagram. A bag contains 10 counters, of which 8 are blue and 2 are white. So we have 8 blue counters and 2 white counters. So if we add, it's equal to 10. So the probability, then 2 counters are taken from the bag at random without replacement. So here we have a case of without replacement. So in which when we pick one ball, we will not keep that ball back into the bag. We will keep that ball outside and select the next ball from the remaining balls in the bag or remaining counters in the bag. So here in the A part they are saying complete the tree diagram to show the possible outcomes and their probabilities. So the probability of blue is 8 upon 10. So what will be the probability of white, as we are having 2 white balls and the total is 10. The probability of white is 2 upon 10. Now if the first ball is blue and the second ball is again blue, then when we have same number, we will reduce both numerator and denominator. So when we reduce 1 from the numerator, it will be 7. And when we reduce 1 from the denominator, it will be 9. So the probability is 7 upon 9. Now if the first ball is blue and now we are picking the counter. If the first counter is blue and now we are picking the second counter and it is white. So up till now we have not taken any white counter from the bag. So how many white counters we have in the bag? 2. But the total outcome will be 9 because the first ball we have already taken as blue. So in the total 1 is less. So it's 10 minus 1, so it's equal to 9. Now if the first ball is white and now we are picking the second ball. So up till now we have not taken any blue ball. Okay, so how many blue balls we have? 8. And in denominator we will reduce 1 because we have taken this white ball from the bag. Now if the first ball is white and now again we are picking a white counter. So in this case when we have same colors, we will reduce both numerator and denominator. So if we reduce both numerator and denominator, it will be 1 upon 9. Okay. So we have completed tree diagram. Now what are they saying in the next part? Here they are saying find as fraction the probability that both counters are blue. So it means probability of blue and blue. So the probability of first blue is 8 upon 10. And the probability of second blue is 7 upon 9. Now when we simplify this, 8 upon 10 multiplied by 7 upon 9, it will be 56 upon 90. And when we simplify this, it's 28 upon 45. So the final answer is 28 upon 45. Okay, now let's see the next part. Here they are saying one counter is blue and the other is white. Order is not given here. They are not saying that the first is blue and second is white. They are saying one counter is blue and the other is white. So maybe the first is blue and second white. Or maybe the first is white and second is blue. So we have two possible conditions here. The first one is blue and the second one is white. Or the first one is white and the second one is blue. Now if we substitute all these probabilities, the first one is blue and second is white. So first blue means 8 upon 10. Second white means 2 upon 9. So 8 upon 10 multiplied by 2 upon 9. 8 upon 10 multiplied by 2 upon 9. Then in place of or we will write positive sign. Then white multiply by blue. So the probability of white is 2 upon 10 and the probability of blue is 8 upon 9. So 2 upon 10 multiplied by 8 upon 9. Now let's simplify this. It's 8 times 2 is 16 upon 90 and plus 2 times 8 is 16 upon 90. As we have same denominator, so 90 will be the denominator and 16 plus 16. So 16 plus 16 is 32 upon 90, and when we simplify this, our final answer is 16 upon 45. Okay, so the final answer of this part is 16 upon 45. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.